family, it's Brenton here back with another video, but today's video is the first video you are going to be seeing my face, and I will be making a balloon dog. Wait, let me fix this here. A balloon dog. So I'm going to be blowing this up. Now guys, we are going to be doing some turns. Yes. There. Here. Do that. The twist. Here. And now we're going to do something here. And we're going to do another thing here. And now we are going to do, this is a kind of too little, so we're going to bring this, I want it a little bit more down about this size, so we're going to turn this like this, so we have the dog's front body. Now we're going to do this. We're going to do this. And we are going to do this. So we're going to bring up the dog's tail. And voila, we have a dog. Bye guys.